Amanda dating Noah. Noah dating Amanda? When? Why? I did not come here to ask questions about your relationship. Though, make no mistake, I have questions. Many questions.
A lot has changed since Emily's left, and I can understand why she'd be a little bit confused about my relationship with Noah. It's kind of funny, actually.
Noah, I actually came here to check in with you. Riley and I assigned you a lot of dances for regionals, and I just wanted to make sure you're up to the task. The last time I saw Noah, he wasn't much taller than my waist, and now he's just getting over a back injury. I need to know if he's ready or not.
You're worried I can't handle it because you still think of little shrimpy J-Troop Noah.
The whole world thinks that, Noah.
Really? No.
Really? Okay. Excuse me? Do you think this guy looks shrimpy?
Yes.
Good answer.
What?